Welcome to this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency education. Today we are talking about Ether and Ethereum, and if you are trying to figure out what these are, then this video is for you. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized open source software platform that is based on blockchain technology. In the Ethereum domain, the dynamic and decentralized computing plays a main role. Ethereum enables the creation and use of so-called smart contracts and decentralized applications, which are also called dApps. These can run without the influence of third parties. Ethereum itself is not a cryptocurrency. Many people think it is, but it is not. However, it is a platform. The cryptocurrency that this system uses is called Ether, ETH. Ethereum is based on a so-called blockchain, which is the same foundation that Bitcoin is built on. As already mentioned, Ethereum, however, is not a cryptocurrency. Instead, due to enhanced capabilities and functions, it serves as centralized, decentralized ecosystem for blockchain projects of all kinds. Ethereum can be seen in contrast to the classical and widespread client-server concept, within which files and data are stored centralized on servers of large internet companies or in the cloud. In the client-server concept, this data can be accessed, if required, from various systems. In the Ethereum network, however, the data is spread across the world in a decentralized way, and the data is publicly available and accessible and trackable. This ensures the integrity of the data, and it makes it very difficult, if not even impossible, to counterfeit data. Ether is a cryptocurrency that can be used for payments within the Ethereum network. Today it also functions as asset class. The Ethereum blockchain nowadays is the foundation for various other cryptocurrencies which emerge from so-called ICOs or initial coin offerings. Ether is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, and the network as well as the cryptocurrency are getting more and more adopted. We believe that Ether and Ethereum have a very positive future within cryptocurrency. We hope that you like this video, and if you want to find more about other cryptocurrencies as well as Ethereum, please watch our other videos, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!